Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 4Runner. 4Runner durability is unbeatable. There are more 4Runners on the road today than any other midsize SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.